In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in SharePoint. In order to do that, first head over to your actual Microsoft 365 and you should be able to find the Microsoft SharePoint. Do take note that the SharePoint is only available to accounts with organizations and not available on personal accounts. We have OneDrive for that. So for this, just proceed to click onto the sign in order to sign into your SharePoint. Now here is my actual SharePoint. Just head over right here to the Apps section and you can find SharePoint. With this, click on this in order to open your SharePoint. So here we have it right there. So in order to create a folder, you just need to actually click on this Creator Upload. You take note that SharePoint and OneDrive is essentially the same but with different audience because SharePoint is for organization and OneDrive is for personal. Click on this Creator Upload, click on this folder option, and after that, a new folder window will add. So input right here your folder name. For example, let's name this apps. Click on create. And after that, this will be created and here it is right here. All of the new files on your folder or on your drive will have the icon for the three lines. So with this, as you can see, a folder has been created. You can proceed to share it with people by clicking on the share icon and sharing it with people from there by entering their email. Alternatively, you also have the option to click on the three dots, download it, move it, manage its access, also add some files inside this particular folder if you would want to. You can just click on this folder and upload some files that you want added. So that's how you create a folder in SharePoint. I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need.